Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how we can remix our form questions, meaning if we have, for instance, a question that's multiple choice or a question that's a short answer and we want to change it to multiple choice, we can easily do that through some of Google Forms extensions. So to start, we first need to install Examize. To do that, you just go to these three dots, go to get add-ons, search for Examize, you install. It's gonna require you to accept the permissions, and once that's complete, you can go back to your form and then go to the puzzle icon on the toolbar, find Examize and open it. Next, we're gonna find the remix button, and I want to convert question type. Once the questions have loaded, you're going to select the questions you want to convert. And I'm going to select this degrees class major question, and I want to convert that to multiple choice. Now you can see, instead of it just being an open answer, we can have multiple choices. Or what is your degree class major? When I hit apply to form, you can see that it updated the question so that it's a multiple choice now instead of a short answer.